Hello, Erin here at Scott's Kitchen and Bath. One question that we continuously get, and we have over probably all 8 years or so that we've been doing kitchen and bath type work, is should I install a shower door or stay with a shower rod and a curtain? And really it comes down to your lifestyle and your needs. So basically it's a personal preference. We find that shower rods basically serve the needs for customers that need wide open space. They want to push the curtain all the way back, have full access into their shower door in their case. At the most, you get about half of the access to get into the shower or tub area. And so that is one factor that many focus on. Another one is cleaning. Shower curtain or shower door, you're going to have some kind of maintenance and an effort put in towards cleaning. They're just different types of cleaning. Shower door, you're going to do more daily squeegeeing of it off, getting the minerals off. You have some other things you need to do. With a shower curtain, you can get ones that are washable. There's disposable ones. I think for like $3, $3 or $4, you can get a real thin plastic liner, and some people once a year just take that and change it out. So it depends on what your needs are and what your desires for your cleaning is. Both of them offer very luxury options as far as personal preference. Some people like wild colors, or they would like to change their colors out, maybe even seasonally. A shower curtain allows you to take and do that. A shower door is more of it's a higher cost item. We usually tell our customers, plan for the purchase of the door and for labor. It's probably about $1,000 option. And when you put it in, though, it's a one-time cost, and you have it for a long time. It does have a luxury look for people who like that type of look. People who have the really, really nice shower walls put in, a lot of them are going towards the clear glass so they can see all the way through and see their beautiful investment that they put in there, and they just like looking at it when they come into their bathroom. Other customers have super small bathrooms, and by having a clear door, it gives a little bit more feel into their bathroom. So all of these wrapped up, it just comes down to what you like. I'm going to have Scott come on next and explain a little bit more from what he sees when he does installation.
On one hand, we have our simple shower curtains. Doesn't take a lot to install them. They're a lower cost option. There's beautiful colors, many materials out there, weighted, non-weighted, washable, disposable. They're all great options. We also do lots of shower doors, clear glass, frameless, textured glass. Also a great option. Comes down to the shower door will offer you a little more luxury feel in a bathroom. Sometimes it's a personal preference. Sometimes they work really well with certain style shower systems. Both are great options. In our home, we've chosen shower curtains. Our water's very hard, and it's easier to just wash our shower curtains and occasionally just replace them. Glass, on the other hand, will be more maintenance for you. Mineral removal, squeeze your glass, take good care of it, replace the seal systems from time to time. Both are great options, and we'd be glad to help you with either one. Thanks, Scott's Kitchen and Bath.